What am I saying? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have got some really exciting news to share with you guys, but first I would like to shout out all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. We appreciate you tenfold. So a lot of people have been asking about like these graphic tees that I've been finding and some of my jewelry. So I wanted to share with you guys a little bit about the boutique that I found and I have partnered with. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Okay, you guys, so I already had to dig into this and I've already taken it off. I'm taking the tags off. But look at this necklace. Like, oh my god. It's so pretty. It is like massive, which I love because it's just a huge statement piece and it's something that like, it's very like in my wheelhouse right now. The style that I've been looking for is more kind of that like Western boho type look. They also have a turquoise one of these that is super pretty because if any of you know me, you know that I like turquoise. And then look at these super cute bags that they send your stuff in. This one's a floral one. This one has cactuses on it. I just love it. It's totally my vibe. Open it up. Ah, you guys, how cute is that? I absolutely love it. And I love that the graphic tees, like the graphics on them are actually like on the material. It's not like printed on there with like any vinyl or anything like that. So it's super comfy. The t-shirts like these, they are unisex. So I would suggest sizing down when you do order. But because normally I like to wear a medium so that it's not like super tight, but this is a small and it actually kind of fits more like a medium. Can we get this one out? Open it up. You guys, I was so excited about this one. This is gonna be a great summer shirt. It is a little bit farther like cut down, so you will probably wear like either like a tank top or like a bralette like type thing under it. Otherwise, if you don't want to wear anything under it, you don't have to, I ain't gonna judge. Salsa dippin' and margarita sippin'. Like, if anyone personally knows me, you know that that is like my jam. If I have to have junk food, it's chips and salsa, and yeah, give me a good lime frozen margarita. So these are adorable. I love them. Obviously they have like little like pearls on them and stuff, but they're hair clips. Isn't that so cute? Obviously open like that. This one's more of a bow. This one actually snaps open like this. You slide it into the hair and then you can clip it closed. This would be really cute for like a little like half up thing in the back. Super cute. And then this one here is more like a bobby pin. So it kind of opens up and then all the metal on these ones are gold. I think those are gonna be super cute, like fun little hair accessories to rock. What is that one? This is actually a dress. How cute is this? You could rock this with like some cute sandals with it in the summertime, but you could also do cute little like white sneakers or something if you want to like dress it down, make it casual. And you can dress it up, put a jean jacket with it, some wedges, like super cute, right? This is a medium. Like I said, I got smalls in the shirts just because they're unisex, but the dresses obviously are women's sizes. So I did get a medium in this and it fits perfectly. Show to camera. Okay, you guys, this is one of my favorites that I got because I love leopard. Leopard is the new black. I've had so many people ask me about this shirt because I have kind of worn them a couple times maybe. What's that one? This one, I love them all. I keep saying this is my favorite. This is my favorite. I love them all. I just thought this was super cute and accurate because I'm from the country. Little town of like 300-400 people max. So how cute is that? It's kind of like a mustard yellow color and I love rocking my turquoise jewelry with it. That one! And then the last one here that I have. Have you lost your cotton picking mind? You guys, I wish I was Southern. I wish I had a Southern accent. I always tell everyone that I think I was meant to be a Southern belle. I just absolutely love that. And not to mention, like, hello, rock that with that. Throw one of these in the hair. Yes. whole outfit. So obviously, like, these are just a few of the things on the website. I'm very obsessed with everything in the Western Chick section of the website. But also you can use the discount code TORI10, and it's Tori in all capitals and the numbers 10. And then that will save you 10% on your purchase. Obviously, they have more than just this. They have accessories, they have purses, they have travel, like weekend bags, jewelry, hair accessories, boots. Go check out their boots. You will not regret it, but I apologize for getting you hooked right now. Go check everything out and let me know what you think. Yeah, so obviously, guys, like I said, I usually normally like to wear like a size medium for this type of a fit, that kind of looser fit. This is a small though, okay? This is the Country Roads Take Me Home one. I love, love, love. I like that this one is a little bit looser like this. What I tend to like to do with shirts like this is I tie a knot here. So I literally just go around like that, and then I pull on the shirt to tighten the knot and then loosen it a little bit. So then you have that little knot there, and then it just bunches it and makes it look kind of like cute and just kind of like you got a little style to it, and it's not just like a baggy t-shirt, okay? I love this one. I don't really even know what to call this color. I feel like it's like a mix between like an olive tan gray. I don't know. Again, it is actually like, it's on the shirt, like it's part of the material, so it's not actually like printed on there with any like vinyl or anything like that. So again, super, super comfortable. Like I feel like I could rock this with some leggings, with some sneakers, and be totally like comfy for the day. Otherwise, dress it up with my ripped up jeans, put on some cute booties, jewelry, and you're good to go. So you can dress these up or down. I love that. Here is the salsa dip and margarita sipping shirt. I would also like to rock like some of my turquoise jewelry with this. Otherwise, I mean, you could throw that with it, but I'd probably, I love turquoise and mustard together right now. I don't know what my deal is, but that's my jam right now. So I would probably do like a shorter like turquoise like statement piece necklace with this. Either rock it with some jeans like this. I would throw in a pair of cutoffs, boots, sneakers, something, anything like that. I've gotten so many people asking me where I got this shirt, because how cool, like how cute is that? Like the Rolling Stones looking like mouth with the tongue sticking out, but it's leopard. Yes, yes, all day leopard. and anyone again that knows me knows that I like some rock and roll music, so this is my jam. Again, this one is like kind of that looser type like baggy shirt. This is a small, so keep that in mind. So you can like tie it again, do the knot like I did before with the other one. Otherwise, you can leave it out. If you have some high-waisted jeans, tuck it in, do like just a tuck in the front. There's a lot of different ways that you can style these shirts. Oh my God, you guys, I just now realized that this dress has pockets. What? I'm so excited. I did not realize that before. Like I said, the dress, this is a medium. Everything else that I had, I got small in. This material, you guys, is like so soft and so comfortable. Like, I'm not even joking. I feel like I'm wearing a nightgown right now. So I will show you kind of where this necklace hits. It has like a small adjustable area, so you can wear it a little bit higher, a little bit lower. And then these are the earrings. The earrings, like for being as like big as the earrings are, like round and stuff, they're not super heavy. The necklace is kind of heavy. It's not bad though. All right, you guys, how cute is that? Throw on some wedges and a jean jacket and I'm ready to go. Now, if only we had somewhere to go. Okay, so you guys, make sure to go check out the website. We'll drop that in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Don't forget about my discount code TORI10, so save yourself some money while you're browsing. And I will say the price point is like spot on, because normally boutique shopping you can't find a top for under $30. Most of these tops that I have found have been like between 18 and 25. So that's spot on for me because I'm a bargain shopper. So otherwise, drop a comment if you have any questions. Make sure to hit the subscribe button before you go, and we will see you all soon. Bye.